My furnace broke back in July, and I knew that it was not a good decision to even try to replace it. It was the original from the house, about 20 years old, and so I needed a good agency to give me very detailed information about getting a new furnace. So I was shown a nice booklet with 3 different units with all the bells and whistles that went with each one, which was really nice because I had surveyed like 3 other, I think at that point, contractors, and nobody brought out a book. And you guys were the first company that actually brought me something concrete and solid that I could look at. I just got my first one, and so far, yes, it has definitely gone down. Actually, I noticed even it's more efficient, definitely more efficient than my last unit, because my last unit I had to keep it up a lot higher, and now I've been keeping it, I don't know, about 70 degrees cooler, and it's still warming the whole house, which is great. So I would definitely recommend you guys to my friends, my family, my church members. Bradley Mechanical will get you out of the picture in.